Today, when it comes to Quran, Somalians, the Somali boys, I don't know of any, country that produces a father like Somalia, or to make it, educate than Somali kids, wherever they are, whether in US, in Canada,
Yep.
or in different places. Why? Because the reason is because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had blessed these people with Quran. And the reason why I really love Somalians, I love Somalians for three reasons. One, because of their love for Quran. Two, their love for Sunnah. Most of their teachers and scholars that graduated from Saudi or from different parts of the world, they took the science of Hadith, and that shows their love for Sunnah. And lastly, their love for hijab.
Yeah, subhanAllah.
I call the Somali sisters the Marines of hijab.
MashaAllah.
No country in the world or group of Muslims in a country
Even here in
respect,
Kenya.
even here in Kenya,
You went to that masjid the other day and it's...
I haven't seen anyone who respects hijab like Somali people.